I want to build a diverse world full of unlimited possibilities and opportunities.
I want to reinvent an innovative smart lifestyle.
I want to help the world overcome human suffering and nature disasters.
I want to empower people to live a sustainable life. I want to be a change maker.
Today, our world is facing major and evolving global challenges like climate change, natural resource depletion, public health issues, sustainability challenges, and more. The Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, a powerhouse for innovation since 1991, is poised to bring positive impact to the society. We believe that education, research, knowledge transfer, and entrepreneurship should come together to push forward the frontiers of science and technology, changing people's lives for the better. In September 2022, HKUST Guangzhou was officially opened. Empowered by a unique framework of unified HKUST complementary campuses, HKUST and the newly established HKUST Guangzhou enter a new chapter of HKUST 2.0 together. This distinctive framework, characterized by pioneering academic structure, enables us to nurture innovative talents of tomorrow, transforming higher education and creating a game-changing impact on the Greater Bay Area and beyond. The groundbreaking structure of HKUST Guangzhou consists of 4 hubs and thrust areas that cut across disciplinary and organizational boundaries. The 4 hubs are designed upon a vision that function and information work together and provide the fundamentals to building systems that support society, while thrust areas foster emerging research with diverse focuses. Together with an active and experiential learning model, HKUST and HKUST Guangzhou will nurture talents for emerging industries to tackle future global challenges.
The opening of HKUST Guangzhou is a major milestone for HKUST and marks a new chapter for HKUST's strategic development. With HKUST's can-do spirit, we will continue our quest for excellence in education, research, and innovation to make contribution to the region and beyond. With HKUST and HKUST Guangzhou, we will continuously progress in our mission to build a world-class institution of higher education and cultivate more future-oriented, innovative leaders.
Our vision for the unified HKUST complementary campuses framework is to take the concept of interdisciplinary academic and research excellence to the next level. We empower our students to identify, predict, and address real-world needs, steering our research towards maximum social and economic impact locally and globally.